Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, in a battle, we were with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There an emigrant kicked an helper on his bottom. The helpers shouted, "O helpers, help!" The emigrants shouted, "O emigrants, help!" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is the clamor of the period of ignorance?" The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an emigrant has kicked a helper on his buttocks." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Leave it, as it is a nasty thing." When Abdullah bin Ubay heard it, he said, "Have they done it? By Allah, when we will reach Madinah Munawwara, the most honorable will surely expel therefrom the most disgraced." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Permit me to chop off the neck of his hypocrite." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Leave him, lest the people should say that Muhammad is killing his companions." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6526.